Hello there, in this quick video I'll show you how to set up your phone to synchronize contacts using a Contactzilla provisioning profile. You'll have either received a QR code or a link, and both will do the same thing. Add the contacts on your phone with just a few taps. So in this example I'm going to scan the code with my phone. So over on my phone I've scanned the QR code and I'm asked if I want to go ahead and download the configuration profile. So just hit allow on that. I've now got a message to tell me that the profile's downloaded. And if I now go to the top level page of my settings, I can see that a profile has indeed been downloaded. So if I click through on that, I'm given an option to install in the top right. You'll receive a message to tell you that the profile is not signed, and you can just completely ignore that and hit install again in the top right. And then confirm that once again with install. And now we have confirmation that the profile has installed. So we can hit done. Your contacts will now start syncing automatically into your phone's native contacts app, and if you have used Contactzilla labels in your address book, they'll be shown here as lists, so everything is organized perfectly. So that's it. No manual typing, no server settings, just scan, tap and go. Thanks for watching.